Nowadays, to enhance financial progress and achieve successful transactions, everyone needs professional technical analysis and robust analytics in complex financial markets. With the help of these analyses, we aim to achieve risk-free profits in these intricate and hazardous financial markets. The Trade Wizards team, with years of experience in programming and analyzing trading signals in the Forex market, as well as providing and evaluating various indicators, has acquired the ability to analyze complex trading signals. This is good news for reaching risk-free profits in this high-risk market. Product introduction. The Trend Sniper Indicator, leveraging a combination of AI and advanced technical analysis techniques, helps you accurately identify market trends and receive timely and instantaneous profitable trading signals. The exclusive formula of Trend Sniper, along with price action analysis, Fibonacci levels, and other technical analysis tools, provides you with precise and reliable trading signals, complete with TP, take profit, and SL, stop loss. This indicator is the result of collaborative efforts from a team of professional traders and expert programmers, designed to provide a powerful and efficient tool for traders. By being notified of timely entries and exits, it enables high profitability in the market and can significantly reduce your risk exposure. If you are looking for a powerful tool to accurately predict and identify entry and exit points in financial markets, the Trade Wizards team with the TW Trend Sniper product harnesses the most advanced technologies and artificial intelligence algorithms to provide you with precise and reliable trading signals. With this product, you can achieve sustainable profits. By accurately identifying entry and exit points, you can make the best use of profitable market opportunities. Save your time. By relying on precise signals, you no longer need to perform complex and time-consuming analyses. Stable and unchanging signals. The signals and stop-loss and take-profit levels SL and TP do not change or recolor after being provided. This feature allows you to enter trades with greater confidence. Accurate trend detection. This product uses advanced algorithms to accurately detect market trend changes with the least possible noise, and provides timely alerts. Safe stop-loss levels. Using various methods, you can place your stop-loss level in a safe location to prevent heavy losses or lock your position and continue. By using the MetaTrader tester and the table next to the chart, you can review the past performance of the signals and use the results for better decision-making. To better understand the power of this product, you can test it for free right now through the link below in description or on the MQL5 website. Follow the Trade Wizards channel to stay updated with the latest news, analyses from around the world, and the newest trading tools and bots.